So I got a dryer here that when you hit the start button, you can hear the motor humming, but it doesn't actually spin. Usually that means that something is caught in the blower wheel that actually pushes all the air out through the vent. So I'm just going to take this cover off, see what we got inside. It's kind of crappy because it's getting colder here. Usually that's when a lot of animals start appearing in machines. So hopefully nothing in there. Okay, so I got all the screws loosened on this duct workpiece here, and kind of wiggle this out. A lot of the time you gotta kind of really work these things to get them off. And, oh no. So yeah, that's why I try to get people to check their vents all the time and make sure there's a screen on the vent. So, squirrels like this can't get in there. That is gross. And they got rid of this machine because it wouldn't run anymore. I'm just going to grab my gloves and we'll get rid of that. Okay, so the squirrel has been taken care of. Put it all back together and just wanted to show you. Dryer starts, runs, heats, does all that fun stuff it should be doing. But yeah, check your vents because this is probably the third one I've seen in the past couple weeks. So it is a thing.